Hey my beauty family, this is Valya, and in today's video I will show you this look I'm wearing, which is a very nice purple, pink, matte and shimmer look. This is my recommendation for you for today, for the Thanksgiving Day. So, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows with my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil in the shade Medium Brown, which is very thin eyebrow pencil, which helps me to define very precisely my brows, and from the other side it is polished. I have sculpted them up with my Fit Me by Maybelline in the shade 20 on the underbrow area, and on the upper brow area I used my infallible L'Oreal 220 Sample Stand, which is the foundation that I'm gonna use in the rest of the face later. And now I'm going to prepare my lids with always my Fit Me Maybelline by New York. My lids are ready, and now I'm going to wear my shadows. In this video, in this look, today I'm gonna do for you my recommendation for the Thanksgiving Day look. And which look I'm gonna use? Purple shadow. I will wear Moonlight Mermaid For Me Only eyeshadow palette, which is this. To open that, and you will see these are the shadows I'm gonna use today. And taking this very thin, where is the other? This thin, very thin pencil, and I will take that, which is a very nice deep purple shadow, and I will do a line. I will not wear the classic black eyeliner today. I will do with that. Look at what a thin and big, not fluffy, a little stiff brush this is, as I'm showing you. And I will take that purple and I will do a soft eyeliner. I'm starting from the inner part. I will apply a line on the root of the eye, and then pulling it up under the brown like a triangle, and I will stick with that an eyeliner. It is easy for you to do it. Then I will take that, which is a very nice, the colors I use are matte. This is a very nice light nude color, and I will take that fluffy big brush and I will apply this light shadow on the crease. From the inner corner to the outer corner, of course. It is a light nude pink color. Beautiful color. My look is gonna be soft but glamorous. It is a very nice, I think, recommendation for you for the Thanksgiving Day. And then inside I will take that flat brush, as you see, and this on the edge, which is this, which is a very nice sparkling shimmery pink, deep pink, not very light. Although you can use and a lighter pink, but I do that, I think it is very nice. And I will apply that color on the inner lid, on all the lid of course. It is a very beautiful, soft glam look, not very intense, but I think for that day it is very suitable. Beautiful pink, purple, nude colors, all of them. Do you see? Very nice. On the upper lid, on the crease, light pink. On the outer corner, a liner with deep purple. And on the inner corner, a shimmery sparkle pink. It is easy and very beautiful look. Soft glam look. Let's do some more eyeliner. I will not apply on that look an eyeliner, as I have told you from the beginning. because I want to see that nice purple liner. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and coming back to just a few coffee while I work and coming back. My eyes are ready and now I'm going to apply on the underbrow area just a little highlighter. I will use my eyebrow 103 and my Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlighting powder, which is a very nice iced pink. As I have told you many times, this look, as you see, has colors that they are cool toned. So all our look, all our colors, contouring, bronzers, highlighters, blush have to be in the cool tone undertone colors, not warm on this look. Of course, now I'm going, after that, not a few coffee, as always, to wear my false glasses. This look is soft, so I'm going to wear my soft. I didn't know what I have to wear, but I think yes, I will wear this type of glasses, which are thin and long. They are not very thick. They are for all the day. I could wear, I have to choose between them, but I think them are much thicker. So because it's a soft glam look, I decide to wear them. I will show you right away how they are. And as we have told, these are the lashes I'm gonna use. As you see, they are very nice, long and thin. And as we have told, the lashes, we wear them about 4 to 6 times, not much. Otherwise, we throw them away. But as you have seen there, they are by natural hair, but I haven't applied mascara. When I wear false lashes, it is more nicer for you to apply mascara only on your bottom lashes area, not on the false lashes, because they are getting sticky with the mascara, the glues, they are getting ugly later. So I wear mascara before the lashes and not over the false lash, not on the bottom lash. Going to do my lashes with the lash curler. I'm going to wear my lash off camera and coming back soon. My lashes are ready and I'm going to prepare the rest of my face. I will use for today my MUA Pro Base Oil Free Primer, which is a very nice moisturizing, hydrating primer. The primer, we choose it on how our skin is. My skin is combo to dry, so I need to moisturize, to hydrate it. If you have a very oily skin, you have to choose a primer that it is more matte for you, more stiff. You will find it on the store and you will use it on your skin, how it looks and how it goes, it matters to your skin. Of course, over that, going to wear my L'Oreal Infallible 32 hours fresh wear 220 Sable Sand. This is my with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush 200. This is my foundation for today. I really love that foundation. Very soft, medium to full coverage, and I think it's very good for my skin. It is applying very nicely. And I will mix it with some by True Skin 030 Neutral Sand, some of that, which is a little lighter on the color, but I want to mix these together. They're very nice. When you want to apply your foundation, don't apply over 2 pumps. 1-2 pumps are enough for your skin. You don't need much and more than this. And as always, applying on the neck and on the ears. Of course, continue with my next Bear with me concealer serum and applying that with my finger because it has a pump on the inner corner, some on the outer corner, some dots on the nose and between the brows, on the mustache area and on the chin. And this I will apply, and this of course, with my wet beauty blender. I always use beauty blender to apply foundation, especially the concealer. Taking my loose powder by MUA and going to set up the under eye area with my beauty blender. And then I will take the same powder to set up the whole face. Of course, later I will use the compact powder, but I will start with the powder, the loose powder. Very nice, this MUA loose powder, it's very good. And it is very economic. Only $8.50, I think. $9, not less. Very good. And if you want to do in the bake, very nice for you. I'm going to apply my Sabrina Rudnick pressed powder over that with my eyebrow 11 to set up and the rest of the face. Today I will do some bake. So I'm taking the puff that the powder has inside. I will apply some of that on the under eye area and near the nose, the bridge of the nose. Between the eyes, the brows, on the forehead, and to clean up the under thick area, and on the chin of course, and on the mustache area. And I will leave that product for 2-3 minutes the most, we don't need much on that. This step by baking is very good for a professional look, but if you want for an everyday look or another look, if you are in a hurry, if you want to avoid that, it's not necessary, but I do like it. Taking my contouring palette, caramel toffee, eyebrow 11, applying all the contouring on the cheeks, on the forehead, on the jawline and down on the neck area. And of course, contouring, we start with contouring, so we have to contour and our nose. If you don't want to do contouring, go on with only bronzer. Don't ever apply bronzer on your nose. Not on your nose, you need a contouring product. And starting from the inner part of the brow till the lowest part of the nose, and do a straight line. This is how we contour our nose. And let's do some baking on this area. We apply a straight line. This is how we do contouring with bake. It is easy, trust me. Let's correct some our brows, because with so much product and powder, we have ruined them a little. Few coffee while we work. And then applying blush Scanlon 03. This is a very nice deep strawberry color. Because we have told we have cool tones on this look, so we need and all the products on cool tone. Going to take off all the excess of the powder so we can continue with the highlighter. Don't need much more time, 2-3 minutes the most. You don't need much of that. Taking my highlighter, At this point, I'm gonna use the same Blossom Glow Wet n Wild and my eyebrow 105 on the cheek. On the temple, of course, a few of that. And some of that on the nose, just a little dot on the last part of the nose, and just some of it between the brows. Don't need much highlighter, it's enough. And on the cupid bow if you want. Now we're going to end up with the under eye area. As we have told, I'm gonna take my deep purple color, which I'm gonna apply on the under eye area. Very, very beautiful, this purple. I love purple. Then taking this fluffy brush and the nude pink to smudge that color, as we always do. We first apply the dark shadow and then we take the crease shadow, the transition shade, to smudge over the dark shadow. This is the right way. And of course, taking my highlighter, this that I had applied on the underbrow area, and do some on the inner corner, some touch. Taking my black liner pencil, which I always apply the waterline, and on the upper borderline and on the under borderline. Some mascara on the bottom eye area, as we have told, not on the false lashes, and one coat is enough. You don't need much of the mascara. It's enough. And then we are finishing with the lips. I'm taking my Starstruck, this big fuchsia lip liner color, and I will apply my Yabaolian Be Matte Fashion Color Lipstick in the shade 05, which is a very nice deep purple color. I will apply that. And the last step, as always, my Fiore Vita makeup fixing spray. So we can have a makeup look which lasts during many hours in the day, because fixing spray is very important, I have to say, and we have to do it if we want a very nice, beautiful look to last for many hours. And taking the excess of the spray. Well, my friends, this is my recommendation for you for today. This is a very nice pink purple, matte and a little shimmery look. It's a very nice look for the Thanksgiving day. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, my friends!